Dear friends, gather around as we embark on a delightful journey through time to explore the fascinating origins of an unsung hero in our kitchens, the humble measuring cup. Imagine a world without this essential tool, where every recipe was a gamble, and the success of a dish depended on the fickle whims of guesswork. It's a wonder how our ancestors managed without the precision and consistency that measuring cups provide today. Our story begins in the bustling markets and lively kitchens of ancient civilizations. Picture the scene: merchants shouting their wares, the air thick with the scent of spices, and cooks haggling for ingredients. In those days, measurements were far from standardized. Ancient Egyptians used cubits, the length from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger, to measure everything from land to grain. Similarly, the Romans had their sextarius, a unit roughly equivalent to a modern pint. These methods, while innovative, left much to be desired in terms of accuracy. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, a time when alchemy and early science were beginning to shape the world. Medieval cooks and apothecaries needed more precision in their concoctions. Enter the early predecessors of our measuring cups, vessels marked with lines or symbols indicating approximate volumes. These rudimentary tools were the first step toward the standardized measurements we rely on today. But it wasn't until the Industrial Revolution that the measuring cup truly came into its own. With the rise of mass production and the burgeoning middle class, cooking became a more widespread and refined art. Standardization was the order of the day, and the need for consistent measurements became paramount. In the mid-19th century, an ingenious housewife named Fanny Farmer took the culinary world by storm. In her 1896 cookbook, the Boston Cooking School Cookbook, she introduced the concept of level measurements, emphasizing the importance of accuracy in recipes. Fanny Farmer's meticulous approach to cooking transformed the kitchen, and her influence spread far and wide. As the 20th century dawned, the measuring cup continued to evolve. Innovations in materials and manufacturing made them more accessible and affordable. Glass, metal, and eventually plastic measuring cups became staples in households around the globe. These tools were no longer just for the professional chef, but were embraced by home cooks and baking enthusiasts alike. One of the most delightful aspects of measuring cups is their diversity. There are standard sets, often in nested form, each cup fitting snugly into the next. There are measuring jugs with spouts for easy pouring and clever innovations like collapsible silicone cups for the space-conscious chef. Some are adorned with colorful designs, while others are sleek and utilitarian. Yet, despite their variety, they all serve the same noble purpose, ensuring that every pinch of salt, every cup of flour, and every drop of vanilla extract is just right. So, next time you reach for your measuring cup, take a moment to appreciate its rich history. Think of the ancient Egyptians and Romans, the medieval cooks and alchemists, and the pioneering spirit of Fanny Farmer. The measuring cup is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a symbol of our journey toward culinary excellence. And that's the captivating tale of how measuring cups came to be, a story of innovation, precision, and the timeless quest for the perfect dish. Happy cooking, and may your measurements always be precise. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.